Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee and this is How Dee Does It. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Glam Life collection. This is 8 beautiful gel polishes. They are so summer, they are so vibrant. If you have not used Madam Glam polishes before, they are vegan, cruelty free, 21 free, palm oil free, and gluten free. They are celebrating 10 years. They were founded in 2014. So happy birthday, Madam Glam. And let's go ahead and get into these beautiful colors in the nail set for today. The first color out of the box is Pink Frenzy. This color, I loved it. It's not Barbie pink, which what is looking like on camera. It's like a lighter version of that, but it is still a beautiful color. Up next, we have this beautiful purple. It is called Birthday Bash. All of the colors in this collection, except for Mojito, were very creamy, one coat coverage. It didn't disappoint. And speaking of Mojito, this one was a vibrant green. Out the bottle, you can tell that it is not as creamy and the opacity is not as much as the other colors. I would say it's about a 50-50 cream and jelly mix in there. It's very light. So the next color is a blue Jolie, and it's not very pastel. It looks pastel and it looks like it looks very different out the bottle. I'm going to tell you what this color looks like to me. It looks like a Tar Heel blue. For all my UNC fans out there, you're going to love this color. And the next color is Chic Rose. It's a very light. Now this one is pastel-y, but it is a beautiful color. I actually use it on my thumbnail, but I didn't show the thumbnail in this video because I'm using it for a reel. It is so light and so beautiful. Like you could do all 10 nails in this and it would be the perfect color to do the blush on top of. It's beautiful. Next up is Cake Batter. I think this is like the only color that I did not use in today's video. It is, it looked like yellow cake. It does look like cake batter to me. Like this is the perfect name for the perfect polish. And the next one is Minty Mirage. Now this one was more of a teal color than the normal mint that I would think of, which is more of a pastel-y color. Beautiful still, I love it. That color would actually go great with brown colors. All right, so I'm just going to quickly swatch two of the colors just to show you how flawless they go on, how opaque they are, how rich and creamy they are. It's one coat coverage. In here you have all 8 colors. I'm loving this collection. I love Madam Glam polishes, period. All right, so for today's nail set, I'm not actually showing you this base color because it's not a Madam Glam product, and it's some colors that I put together to get that base color for those 5. And then the other 5 are actually going to start with the Madam Glam colors. First is going to be Peach Fuzz, which I inadvertently left out of the unboxing, but here it is up close and personal. It is a fleshy, peachy color. It's very beautiful. I do give all of the polishes 2 coats. So while I am just polishing the nails and just giving you another recap, because I am using 5 different colors here that you've already seen before, and I'm going to speed it up after this so that we can get to the next part. So for the next couple of nails, the only thing that I'm going to do is add a couple of stickers to them. These stickers are from Shein. I will put the link in the description box below. These are quite popular this year and I love them. I don't know what the flower is, but it's Hawaiian themed flowers. You can make them. They're the 3D flowers that everyone is making. They're very on trend and have been, I would say, for the past couple of years. I don't think they're going anywhere though. They're beautiful flowers. Okay, so y'all, sometimes I be doing so much. I do the most. I accidentally ordered this box twice. So what I thought I would do is actually have my first channel giveaway. Rules are really simple because I'm just not a complicated person. Only thing I'm asking is that you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and leave a comment, Glam Life in the comments, and also give a like to the video. And in 1 week, I will choose a winner. Stickers are an easy way to just step up your nail artwork, but they can be challenging at times. One thing I'm going to suggest is using tweezers to pick your stickers off of its backing. Also, to use a silicone tool to smooth it out with. Another thing that you can do is you can use foil gel, but you want to apply it very thinly because anything extra that you use is going to bulk up your nail. You take that chance when using the foil gel. If you're not wanting to use foil gel, then the simple thing I'm going to advise you to do is to wipe off the tacky layer from the gel polish before applying the stickers. That's going to help a lot as well. All right, so the next thing that I'm doing is this blush trend. It is super simple. It did take me a couple of times to get like the right tool that I need because I tried to use one of those blotter. I don't know what the real name of it is called, but I'm gonna call it a blotter sponge. That didn't work, but this triangle sponge applicator worked just fine and it gave me the best results. So in between each time, I'm gonna do it like 2 to 3 times, and each time in between, I'm gonna cure for 10 seconds, and then I'm moving on to the next nail. Super simple. So what this is doing is the blush is kind of like an airbrush hack. So if you have an airbrush machine, just use that because that'll save you a lot of time. Okay, so I didn't want these nails to be too much. I wanted them to be something that I could create in 30 minutes or less, some lunchtime nails. So I did not want to add any rhinestones to it, any charms to it, just stickers. And off camera, I did add some glitter. It has a couple of chunks in it, some mylar flakes and some fine glitter. I added that to the ones that has this blush, and now what you see me doing is top coating and curing each one of those. And to wrap up the nail set, all I did on top of those ones with blush was added more stickers to them and then a final top coat to all of the nails. Again, these were super simple, beginner friendly. I did these on my lunch break, which is an hour. Of course, it takes a little bit more time when you're filming, but I could have done these in 30 minutes or less, and so can you. We are almost to the end of the video. I hope you liked today's nail set. Again, if you haven't, run over to Madam Glam and you can get yours. Or if you're the lucky winner of the giveaway, then you'll have this collection as well. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. And here is the final look. I hope you love them as much as I did. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.